Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm showing you the new 22S quad bench from Bennington. Guys, this is a brand new boat, 2024 series. This color's new. Guys, this color is called luminous blue. It's beautiful. Of course, this boat has the full blackout package. Guys, they have also integrated your nav lights and your docking lights into the side of the boat this year. Walking down the side, you'll see the framing is a little different. Again, guys, this is a tri-tune with the SPS package. This boat will have a Yamaha 150 and the ski tow bar. As I'm walking up, you'll see this does have the straight ladder. Has the luminous blue interior with the gray accent. This is the new Cool Touch. Guys, real cool, but you'll see all the gate stops have the LED lights in them. 80% cutouts, cup holders, nice pressed pattern. Nav light is now down here on the port side, on the outside of the boat, easy access. You guys still have plenty of storage underneath all your seats. Quad bench with the table in the bow. Plenty of storage throughout the whole boat. Side-by-side captain's chairs, quad bench. Looking at the helm, you'll see this boat does have the kicker stereo and the Simrad depth finder. Nice display here on the dash, nice wrap. All your buttons. Of course, a wireless phone charger. Guys, we've got a lot of inventory here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please stop by our website or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you for looking and have a great day.